Hi everyone, let's take an imaginary trip to a cool planet called Mars. It's often called the red planet because of its color. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is about as wide as Africa is long. Mars is a bit further from the Sun than the Earth. So a year there takes 687 days. Longer than our 365 days. But a day on Mars is almost the same as a day on Earth, just a bit longer. About 24 hours and 40 minutes. Mars is made of 3 layers like Earth. The inner part has iron, nickel, and sulfur. The middle is a rocky layer. And the outer crust is full of iron, which gives Mars its red color. Even though Mars looks like a desert, it's actually pretty cold. Near its equator, it can get to 20 degrees Celsius at midday. But near the poles, it can drop to minus 142 degrees in winter. Mars has seasons like summer and winter, but they're more extreme than ours. Mars has 2 small moons named Phobos and Deimos. They're not big enough to keep Mars stable, so its tilt changes a lot. The atmosphere on Mars is thin and mostly made of carbon dioxide with very little oxygen. Long ago, Mars might have had a better atmosphere with a warmer climate and water. It even had the biggest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is 3 times taller than Mount Everest. But over time, Mars lost its magnetic field and much of its atmosphere. Its water and volcanoes disappeared, leaving it dry and unable to support life as we know it. However, there's still some water frozen at the poles, which makes scientists wonder if life ever existed on Mars or could exist again. That's why many space organizations are interested in Mars. They've sent spacecraft to learn more about it and to see if it could be a place for people to live in the future. Oh, and did you know? Mars was named after the Roman god of war. In Greek mythology, he's known as Ares. I hope you had fun learning about Mars today.